Good day. Welcome to the SMC News for the month of April. I am Judith Anyanwike. The African Screen World Research documentary, Behind My Nollywood Screen, directed by Dr. Anulika Agina, made official selection for the iREP International Film Festival, which ran from the 17th to the 20th of March 2022. The documentary aims to open up further dialogue about the history and politics of film exhibition and consumption in Nigeria and elsewhere. Renowned Nollywood scholar Professor Onokome Okome delivered a lecture of his paper titled A Social History of Nollywood to the Masters in Film Production students on the 12th of April 2022. Mr. Lawrence Akonde of the Masters in Film Production Department made a presentation of his paper at the Popular Culture Association PCA National Conference that held online from April 13 to 16, 2022. The paper presented by Mr. Akonde is titled Culture, Technology and Creativity, Valorization of Nigerian Film and Music Industry Soundtracks. The Professional Education Department of the SMC trained 37 staff of Federal Inland Revenue Service in various bespoke programs that held on the main campus in the last 4 weeks. These programs include a 2-day corporate culture and reputation management seminar that held on the 28th and 29th of March, a 4-day corporate identity and brand management CIBM workshop that held from the 28th to the 31st of March, and a 3-day public relations and communications research, measurement and evaluation workshop that held from March 30th to April 1st, 2022. The department also organized the second week of the Media Entrepreneurship Programme, MEP, which held from the 4th to the 8th of April 2022. Mrs. Ijeoma Ona, a member of the SMC Advisory Board, was among the facilitators of the MEP program. She intimated participants on the business of film production. On Wednesday, the 27th of April 2022, SMC will join MTN in the launching of the MTN Media Innovation Programme, MTN MIP, at the Lagos Business School. The MTN MIP is a capacity building certificate course that was designed by SMC for mid-level media professionals. The course will span a period of 6 months and cover areas such as creativity and innovation, strategic planning skills, marketing activation, media ethics, and so much more. In other news, SMC has developed a YouTube strategic document for 2022 geared towards promoting and publicizing the activities of the school and the university as a whole via the school's YouTube channel. Part of the strategic objectives include publishing the monthly SMC news on the channel in order to intimate the public on happenings within the school. The school is calling on the support of all staff and students of the university to help in the publicity drive by subscribing to the channel and sharing the content on this channel with their family and friends. That's all the news we have for you for the month of April 2022. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels for more news and information in and around the School of Media and Communication.